Hey there, future coder! If you're just starting out on your programming journey and you're wondering what projects to tackle, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share the best beginner coding projects for Python, Java, and Spring Boot. Let's kick things off with Python. Python is super beginner-friendly and perfect for your first projects. Try building a simple calculator. Not only will you get a handle on basic arithmetic operations, but you'll also learn about functions and user input. Another great project is a text-based adventure game. It's a fantastic way to practice loops and conditionals while letting your creativity run wild. Moving on to Java, it's a bit more structured but equally versatile. Start with a basic to-do list app. This project will teach you about object-oriented programming and managing user inputs. You can even add a graphical user interface using JavaFX to make it more interactive. Another awesome Java project is a simple banking system. You'll get a good grip on classes, methods, and data handling. Finally, let's talk about Spring Boot. It's a powerful framework for building Java applications. Begin with a CRUD application. That stands for Create, Read, Update, Delete. It's a great way to understand RESTful web services and databases. You could also create a simple blog platform. This project will help you dive deeper into Spring Boot's capabilities like dependency injection and data persistence. Whether you're coding in Python, Java, or using Spring Boot, other projects that you can build are Weather App. Create an app that fetches and displays weather data for a specific location using a weather API. Flashcards app. Build an app where users can create, view, and test themselves with flashcards on different topics. Personal budget tracker. Create an app that allows users to track their income and expenses. Memory game. Build a simple memory game where users have to match pairs of cards. These projects are a fantastic way to get started. Remember, the key is to keep coding and never stop learning. Let us know in the comments section which project you would want us to implement. Hit that subscribe button for more beginner-friendly coding tips and happy coding.